recording in
Good morning, students. I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will wait for 2 minutes so that the rest of the students could join, and then we will start the class. Okay, so nobody has joined. So let us start the class, and they will join afterwards, and then we will join in the proceedings, because we cannot wait so much time. Okay, so very good morning to everybody. Today we will start our digital segment processing class. We have already started the linear convolution, and we have completed the linear convolution. We have shown the linear convolution solution method by using matrix, and another is using graphical method. We have also learned about the properties of linear convolution, and I have also submitted an assignment on linear convolution yesterday on the group. You have to go to the Google form and read the instructions and then submit the assignment. That date, the time is until today 5 p.m. So it consists of what, 15 marks or 30 marks? I don't know. I forgot. I think 30 marks. So everybody must submit their copies within 5 p.m. After 5 p.m., those who guys will submit the assignment copy, I will not recommend their assignments as submissions. And everybody must give or submit the assignment copy in A4 paper. And I have also written the instructions of that, how to fill up the A4 paper. First page will be your name, your university roll number, university registration number, semester and stream. That will be the first page. From the second page, you can do your problem. Then you have to scan it. Every page must be signed, countersigned. and then it must be scanned, and then it must be submitted. So that is very important. Every page must be signed by the student. Like if it is Ankur Mondal, then every page will be there is a signature Ankur Mondal. How many pages you will submit, that much page you have to give the signature. So I will request everybody to convey the message to the other students so that they does not make the mistake. Any further questions? So no further questions. So I think everybody has understand the assignment submission rules and methodologies.
सर हेलो
हाँ बोलिए।
हेलो सर बोल रहे हैं सर उसमें सर लिखे नहीं थे गूगल क्लासरूम में कि सिग्नेचर करना है तो सबमिट तो
हाँ बोलो। हेलो हेलो I can't hear you.
हाँ सर सर बोल रहे हैं कि सबमिट कर दिए हैं सर वही अभी आप बोले कि जैसे सिग्नेचर करना है तो फिर से हटा करके करना पड़ेगा तब
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
सर सरोज कुमार महतो सर
ठीक है, तुम्हारे लिए
सुबह सुबह सबमिट कर दिए हैं सर सवेरे सबमिट कर दिए हैं
ठीक है। जो तुम्हारा नाम मैं नोट कर रहा हूँ, तुम्हारा कितने एक्सपेक्टेशन है, तुम ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। बाद में सबको साइन कर कर सबमिट करना पड़ेगा। और किसी का कोई प्रॉब्लम? Okay, so again I am repeating. The assignment must be. I am also giving it in the group also today. Now only. I'm just giving that thing officially. Every page of the assignment must be duly signed by the candidate himself. So every page of the assignment must be duly signed by the candidate himself/herself before submission. So I have also written this thing in the group. So anybody has any confusion, you must maintain this thing. Only Suraj Kumar Mahato. Your name is what?
सरोज कुमार महतो सर,
Okay.
SAROG.
Okay, okay. So you please write it in the chat box, your name that you have submitted. Then I will give the exceptionality. Okay. Write in the chat box. Understand what I said? Saroj Kumar Mahato?
सर गूगल क्लासरूम चैट बॉक्स और
Here chat books, here.
ओके सर.
I have submitted the assignment. You write that, I will understand. Okay, so let us start today's chapter. We are talking about circular convolution, and in the circular convolution, we are talking about the concentric circle method. And last day we have started the concentric circle method, and the first procedure of the concentric circle method to perform the circular convolution has been solved. We need two circles for concentric circle method. One is inner circle, another is called outer circle. And if there are two signals, then the first circle, that is the outer circle, will be the outer signal, will be the component will be the first signal, and the inner circle have the component of the second signal. And the orientation of placing the bits in the outer circle will be clockwise and anti-clockwise. So let us start that thing again, the concentric circle method for computing or for solving the circular convolution method. Okay. Concentric circle. What we have to do? We have the question, find the circular convolution of the given data sequence. First number is x1n equals to 1, 3, 5, 7. That is the first sequence. And the second sequence, x to n, such that it is 2, 4, 6, and 8. So the solution part. So for the solution part, we told what? We have to use two circles. One is this, another is inner circle. So another will be this. So this is the procedure of concentric circle. That means you have to draw two circles all the time. So I told the first circle will be for the position of the bit will be for the first signal. So let us determine this first signal. So every two signals are starting from 0th position because there is no arrow. So that means this is the 0th position, and 2 is for x2, and 2 is the 0th position, n equals to 0. So what we will do, we will start with x10 here. Mind it, the 2-bit position, that is x10 or x20, must be in same side. That means if x10 will be this side, x20 will be this side also. The position must be same for the first bit, x10 or x20, so that the orientation will be according to the first bit. This side is anti-clockwise and this side is clockwise. So x10 is this, that is equals to 1. x20 equals to x20 equals to 2. Next, x10 x11, where will be the position? I told that this will be the position of x11. So how much is the value? 3. This will be the position of x12. What is the value? 5. Now this will be the position of x13. So how many bits are there? 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 bits are there. So x13. So that is equals to how much? That is equals to 7. Okay, so I have done that. Now we have to take x20. I have put at the value here, but now it will be clockwise. This was set. This bit pattern will be orientation is anti-clockwise, but this bit pattern orientation is clockwise. So if this is x20, this will be x21. So what is the value of x21? It is 4. Next, another bit, x22. So that is how much? 6. And next is x23. That is how much? 8. So this is the first orientation of the 2 bits. First orientation of the 2 bits. One is for x10, x11, x12, x13, and another is for x21, x22, x23, and x20. So first will be the orientation of the first signal bits will be anti-clockwise, and the second bit will be clockwise. Just a minute. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So what we are talking about? We are talking about the concentric circle method. And in that concentric circle method, we are taking two circles. This one is the first circle. And this one will be the second circle. And we have an orientation of the two circles. So base 11. Circular convolution method, and the two bits are x1n is equals to 1357 and x2n equals to 2468. So how I am arranging the bits? I have already shown. Those who have missed, please see it again. This was the x1n, sorry, x10 position, and this was the x20 position. Now this will be connected clockwise like this. The orientation will be clockwise, and here the orientation will be anti-clockwise. Okay. So clockwise orientation. First, let us do the anti-clockwise, that is the outer bit. So this is if it is x10, which will be x11. Anybody? This bit position. There is another bit position. There is another bit position. So tell me which this bit position. What will be this bit?
3, sir.
X11. I told you it is anti-clockwise. So if it is x10, it will be x11. Yes, the value is 3. The value is 3. This value is 1. Okay. Now this position.
X12.
X12, that is equals to 5.
5.
And this is will be x13 and the value is 7. Okay. Now for the inner, this is clockwise. So if it is x20, then this will be x21. So x21 is how much? 4. X20 is how much? 2. Next is how much? This is will be x22. So that will be equals to x22 equals to 6. And this will be x23. So that is equals to 8. So that is the first circle. That gives us y of 0. That gives us the value of y of 0. So y of 0 is nothing but how? Look here, I am multiplying the subordinate bits. This is 1, this is 2. So this will be 1 into 2 plus next bit. What if I do? You can go clockwise, you can go anti-clockwise. So let us go anti-clockwise. So 3 into 8 plus 5 into 6 plus 4 into 7. So that gives you 2, 24, 30 plus 28. So how much it is coming? Yes, how much it is coming? कितना आया?
84 sir.
हाँ, तो इतना देर क्यों लगता है आप लोगों को जवाब देने में? So that is the first bit value y of 0 is 84 by using the first circle. This circle number 1, that is concentric circle number 1. Now there will be concentric circle number 2. So for concentric circle number 2, this is number 2. This is concentric number 2. So what we will give? First the outer bit. The outer bit will be same. So let us take the outer bit. Its position is same. So x1, 0, this will be, this is x1, 1 will be, this will be x1, 2 will be, and this will be x1, 3. So no problem with this. This will be same, but there will be the change in the inner circle. So inner circle, hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So little bit problem with the network. It has been disconnected 2 times. So I कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है अपना नेट पे, इस तरह नेट डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है मालूम नहीं, इसलिए दो बार आपका जो प्रॉब्लम था वो कट गया है। ठीक है, फिर से मैं बोल रहा हूँ आप लोगों का। तो फर्स्ट आपका वैल्यू मिल गया है। अब सेकेंड जो कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल है उसका बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग। तो सेकेंड कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल जो है उसमें क्या होगा, उसमें जो सेकेंड बीट होगा वो सेकेंड बीट का चेंज होगा, मतलब सेकेंड बीट 1 यूनिट शिफ्ट होगा। सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट सेकेंड सर्कल, वी आर ड्राइंग द सेकेंड सर्कल। This is concentric circle. This is for the second bit, that is y equals to 1. So here the first outer bit will be the same. That means x1 1 will be this, x1 0 will be the same. Next this will be x1 1. This will be x1 2. And this will be x1 3. So everything must be same. But what is the problem will be, there will be a change in the inner circle. And in the inner circle, there will be 1 unit shift of the previous position. So in the previous circle, this was the x of zeros position. In the previous circle, this was the x2 zeros position. This was the x2 zeros position. This was the, it is clockwise. So I first draw the position. This was the x2 zeros position. This was the x2 ones position. This was the x2 twos position, and this was the x2 threes position. But now it will be changes to 1 unit shift. Changes to 1 unit shift anti-clockwise. That means this side anti-clockwise, it will have a shift. So if previously it was x2 0, so now x2 0 will be shifted to here. Next, if it is now the position of x2 0, then what will happen? x2 3 is where? Sorry, x2 1 is where? Here was x2 1. So x2 1 will be shifted here, anti-clockwise. So this will be x2 1 new. So what is the position of this x12? Sorry, x22. This will be also anti-clockwise shifted. So this will be x22. And now this will be the new position of x23. Understand? Everybody understand?
Yes, sir.
How is the position is shifting? 1 unit anti-clockwise. This was x2 0. Now it will be going like this. So this will, where this is the value of x23. This will be coming like this. This will be the value of x22. This will be coming like this. And this is the value of x21. So this will be called as anti-clockwise. Every bit will be 1 unit shifted. Anti-clockwise, every bit will be 1 unit shifted. Understand now? So what will be writing here?
Yes.
Rotate the inner circle by 1 step anti-clockwise. Okay. So that gives you y of 1. Sorry. That gives you y of 1. And that is the value is 1 into 4. If I keep the values 1 into 4 plus 3 into 2 plus 5 into 8 plus 7 into 6. So this gives us 4 plus 6 plus 40 plus 42, and this gives us how much? 92. So this is the second, number 2 circle. So what will be number 3? Same, 1 unit shift anti-clockwise. Again, rotate the inner circle by 1 step anti-clockwise. So now everybody will tell me the position one by one. Everybody will tell me the rotation of the circle, rotation of the beat one by one, okay?
बाहर वाला सेम रहेगा सर.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
आउटर वाला में सेम ही रहेगा और अंदर वाला में एक
आउटर वाला में कोई आउटर वाला में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. आउटर वाला में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. तो यहाँ पर 1 होगा, वैल्यू लिख रहे हैं. x of x10 is equal to 1, तो उसका वैल्यू लिख रहे हैं. x11 equals to 3, तो उसका वैल्यू लिख रहे हैं.
हेलो सर.
हाँ बोलो.
सर ये सर सर्कुलर कन्वोल्यूशन सर इक्वल लेंथ वाला सीक्वेंस पे ही लगेगा सर.
हाँ बोलो.
सर सर्कुलर कन्वोल्यूशन सर इक्वल लेंथ सीक्वेंस पे ही लगेगा सर, जिसका लेंथ इक्वल रहेगा.
अच्छा, जो सिखा रहा हो पहले वो सीखो, फिर इक्वल लेंथ होगा या शॉर्टर लेंथ होगा उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. पहले ये जानते हो तो ये पूरा सर्कुलर कन्वोल्यूशन का पूरा बारे में तुम लोग सब जानते हो. तुम जानते हो तो तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
अभिजीत सर.
हाँ, तो ये अभिजीत तुम पूरा सर्कुलर कन्वोल्यूशन कर सकते हो, तो इसका वैल्यू बताओ, सेकंड का वैल्यू बताओ जो, क्योंकि तुम जानते हो. मुझे
सर
लग रहा है,
पूछ रहे थे
नहीं नहीं नहीं, तुम जानते हो मुझे लग रहा है. मैं
सर.
जो,
ये सर अंडरस्टैंड हो गया सर.
तो ये अंडरस्टैंड हो गया आप. ठीक है, तो तुम बताओ आप इनर सर्कल का पोजीशन क्या है. इतना अगर जल्दी अंडरस्टैंड कर लेते हो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बहुत अच्छा बात है. तो यहाँ पर कितना वैल्यू आएगा बोलो. व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू
सर
ऑफ
x21 आएगा सर.
x21? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू?
x21
इसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा?
4 सर.
इसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा?
2 सर.
इसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा?
8.
और इसका वैल्यू?
6.
So what will be the value of y of 2? 1 into 6 plus 3 into 4 plus 5 into 2, 5 into 2 plus 8 into 7. So that is equals to 6 plus 12 plus 10 plus 56. So that is equals to 84. So that is the third step. How many steps will be there? Anybody? How many steps will be there?
6 sir.
No. 4 steps.
8.
क्यों बोलो?
सर दोनों का सर लेंथ एक होता है ना सर, 4 और 4 8 हो जाए.
नहीं, उसके लिए नहीं. यहाँ पर देखो, जब फिर से पोजीशन रिपीट हो जाएगा तब प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. जैसे कि अब चौथा स्टेप देखो, अगर हम लोग देखते हैं चौथा स्टेप पे, तो चौथा स्टेप क्या होगा? चौथा स्टेप, ओ 1 मिनट रह गया है. जितना भी स्टूडेंट है प्लीज गिव द अटेंडेंस फर्स्ट, देन वी विल गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्लास एंड वी विल डिस्कस. फर्स्ट गिव द अटेंडेंस, दिस इज मैंडेटरी. 11 students are there. I just get only 1 attendance. Just write your name in the chat box. Only 3 students, 4, 5, rest of all 6. 6 students, 7. Quickly, less than a minute. Only 7 students has given. 4 students now also not given the attendance. So that they are just in the class but not responding. 8 students I got. Now also 3 students left. 9 students. 2 more students left. So 9 student attendance we have got. Please join the same link after 5 minutes. 5 minutes, not 2 or